In this lecture, we are going to see how to construct the angular momentum matrices using Clebsch Gordan coefficient. This is part 1. I have separated this lecture into two portions. One is in this lecture, we are going to find the J squared matrix and JZ matrix. These two matrices are very important. In the next section, we are going to see about JX matrix and JY matrix. Now, we will construct the angular momentum matrices when J is equal to 1. In the case of polyspin matrix, J value is equal to half, so we will have 2J plus 1 element, matrix element, 2J. There J is half, so this will be 1 plus 1. Uh, so it will form a 2 by 2 matrix. Polymatrices will form 2 by 2 matrices. Here, since J is equal to 1, this will form a 3 by 3 matrices. 2J, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 by 3 matrices. You know very well that uh, this m value for j equal to 1, m changes from 1 to minus 1 in step of 1. So 1 minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1. You will have, it will vary from plus j to minus j. M value varies from plus j to minus j. So this is Jm bracket vector. Here, you know the bra vector is a row vector. That is, you can see bra vector. First row is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So all are bra vectors. Here J is 1. Of course, we have taken J is 1 only. So M is 1. M will take value 1, then 0. 0, m value 0 I have taken in the second row. M value minus 1, third row. See, I have shown all in red color. All pra vector correspond to row vector. Since m is having 3 value, 1, 0, minus 1, we have 3 rows. Similarly, about the column vector. So the get vectors are, you know very well, is a column vector. Here this is in the first column you will have 1 1, m equal to 1, and the second column m equal to 0, the third column m equal to minus 1, which I have shown in green color. I have shown the green color the get vector, that is column vector, and in red color the row vector, which is the pra vector. Now, what will happen when operator j squared act on this vector, this get vector? So I have introduced j squared all in all the element. So 1 1 j squared 1 1 1 1 j squared 1 0 likewise. So I have introduced to the operator j squared here. When j squared act on the get vector, you will get the eigenvalue of j into j plus 1 h cross square. Like in the case of L, it is L into L into L plus 1 h cross square. Same is the case for total angular momentum. So you know the eigenvalue, and with the get vector. Here, it is important to note that the operator j squared, that is square of the total angular momentum operator, does not change the state. Here also it is Jm, here also it is Jm. So, as I said just now, I have introduced J squared in the Dirac, matrix form. So, all pra vector, first rows, second, 1 1 is a bra vector in the first row, 1 0 is bra vector in second row, 1 minus 1 is a bra vector in third row. Similarly, the get vector. Here, you have to remember that the J squared operator does not change the state. So, it will become one only when bra vector and get vector are the same. So that is only for diagonal matrix. Here you can see bra vector also 1 1, get vector also 1 1, 1 0 1 0, 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1. All are different. You see, this is different bracket vector different. Here also bracket vector difference. Here also bracket vector difference. Here also similarly here also. So only diagonal element exists. So when j equal to 1, 1 into 1 plus 1, 2. So this will become 2 h cross squared. I have taken out the eigenvalue 2 h cross squared outside. So only the diagonal element exists. So this will be 1. So j squared is equal to 2 h cross squared. Uh, this unit matrix that is it. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is about J squared matrix, which is very simplest case. Just now we have seen the construction of J squared operator. Now we are going to find the JZ matrix for J is equal to 1. When Z operator Z act on and the get vector Jm, it gives you the eigenvalue mh cross. Mh cross eigenvalue with same get vector. You can see left hand side and right hand side are the same. So as usual, as we have created the J squared matrix, here also only the diagonal element exists because bra vector and get vector are same only for diagonal matrix. So here you have bra vector 1 1, get vector also 1 1, and then 1 0 1 0. That is this m changes from 1 to minus 1, 1 0 minus 1. So diagonal elements 1 1 JZ 1 1 and 1 0 1 0 here, which act on JZ. Similarly here 1 minus 1, JZ 1 minus 1. So only this diagonal element exists. For other element, bra vector and get vectors are different. So naturally that will be 0. Here you take the first case. What will happen when JZ act on this? You will get M H cross. Here M is 1. So this will be 1. Similarly, this diagonal element. Here M is equal to 0. So naturally this will be 0. And here M is minus 1. So naturally this element, diagonal element minus 1. So this is the JZ matrix. Of course, you have H cross. I have taken H cross outside. So in this lecture, we have seen J squared matrix and JZ matrix. In the next class, we will see the JX and JY matrix. Thank you very much for watching my video continuously and supporting me continuously. Thank you very much.